Hello everyone, welcome back to the earnings review channel. I'm excited to have you here. Today we dive into the earnings report of Helen of Troy, HELE. We will discuss recent price action and the strategies we might follow this time for earnings. Remember, this video is for entertainment purpose only and not for financial advice. Analysts are expecting an EPS of 1.38 and revenue of 446.23 billions for this quarter. Last quarter, Helen of Troy's EPS beat expectations by 6.56% and revenue beats by 2.49%. Now let's dive into the price actions from the last few earnings report. Before the Q1 earnings on April 23rd, 2024, the stock opened at 99.73 cents and reached high of 101.25 and low of 99.73 and closing at 100.28, ending with slightly positive difference of 0.58 cents. On the earning day, April 24, 2024, the stock opened at 98.15 cents, reached high of $100, up from $1.85 from the opening price, and low of 87.50 cents, down almost like $10 from the opening price, closing at 90.71, a negative difference of minus $9.59. Let's imagine little more detail what could happen on the earning day. Previous day closing price is 100.28 and earning day open at 98.15, which is almost $2 down. Remember, the stock opens negatively. After that, stock price goes up to 100 from 98.15 cents. It means they are trying to manipulate users to buy call options or sold put options, and then immediately price fall down to 87.50 cents, almost $12.5 less than the highest price of the day, and closes at 90.57 cents. Here key point is, if we had a bought puts at the opening or when it reaches the high, we could have potentially made a good profit with puts on April 24, 2024. So Q4 2023 EPS beats by 1.35 and revenue beats by 1.57%. Before the Q1 earnings on January 5th, 2024, the stock opened at 115.28 cents and reached high of 117.69 and low of 115.22, closing at 115.98 with negative difference of 0.59 cents. On the earning day, January 8, 2024, the stock opened at $119 and reached high of 122.19, up 3.19 cents from the opening price, and low of 115.91, down approximately 3.09 cents from the opening price, closing at 121.16, and ended with 5.18 increase on the earnings day. Let's imagine little more detail what could happen on the earning day. Previous day closing price is 115.98 and earning day opens at $119, which is almost $3 up. Remember, the stock opens at positive. After that, stock price goes back to 115.91 from $119. It means they are trying to manipulate the users to buy put options or sold call options, and then immediately price goes up to 122.19, almost $6 up from the lowest price of the day, and closes at 121.16. Key point, if we had bought call options at the opening or when it reaches the low, we could have potentially made a good profit with calls on January 8, 2024. A couple of observations from the last two earnings report. The last two earnings had EPS and revenue beats as per expectations. If the stock closes positively before earnings, it tends to close negatively on the earnings day. If the stock closes negatively before earnings, it tends to close positively on the earning day. What do you think about the trend? Have you noticed a similar pattern in other stocks? Please add your comments in the comment section, especially if you played options for Helen of Troy during the last two earnings and agree with this analysis. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more earnings review, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thank you for watching. See you next time.